Whoa, there goes the starboard planer.
Yeah, it's a fish. Look at him wallow. Oh yeah. That's a fish. There goes the other one. Jesse, you turn off the trolling motor. I got one on the other rod up too there in a second. Oh, he's a nice fish. Whoa. Look at him go. I think he just figured out he's hooked. Whoa. Alright. Whoa. Net me, baby. That's a nice fish. He's pulling the boat. Here he goes. Here we go. Go for a ride. Alright, Net. Here he goes. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. Come here, baby. Come on. Don't be scared of the net. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh. That's a fish. That thing's got to go 15, 20. Let's get the scale out.
Hey everybody, it's Danny from Big Catfishing. We've got a real treat for you today. We've got the new, brand new, and I do mean brand new, right off of the factory, fresh from the factory, Lucky 711 planer bobber. This is the thing that started it all. We're going to have an unboxing here. This is a brand new one. This is what you get when you order one off of our website. There'd be links in there. See them? Look at that. It says it catches fish so big that sometimes it's scary. Yeah, I've been scared a few times. Okay, here we go. So packaging. There's the planer bobber itself. Nice little weight system on there. Comes with a swivel. Get two of the release tubes. It's a nice feature in case you lose one. Two. And you got the directions. Oh yeah. Tells you everything you need to know on there about how to rig them, how to fish them. Nice. Okay, says these things glow in the dark and they never ever need batteries. Let's check it out. It says you can charge it with any light source. Okay, we're going to charge it. We're just going to try to use a trouble light and charge it. Let's see how this works. Give it about 5 seconds more, huh? Alright, I'm going to turn out the light. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh, that's a glow. Look at that. You can read the newspaper. Read the directions with it. Wow. Now that's a glow. Wow. Never ever needs batteries. Look at that. That's cool. You can see the instructions in the dark with it. Almost use it for a flashlight. Holy sheep crap. Boy, that thing glows. Who wants to go fishing? Alright, today we're going to be fishing with our new super slow drift planer bobbers. I'm going to show you how they rig up on here. First of all, you got a circle hook on the end of your leader. It's a nice little circle hook. It's a no set, no brainer job. Move up next area here, goes to the swivel. Just a regular barrel swivel. Small weight, that's about a 1/4 ounce weight. Then the blue tube goes on there. What you want to do now is you want to slide the blue tube up a little bit. And you hook this between the weight and the blue tube. There's a snap swivel on the back there. Hook it right on and you snap it. And what you want to do is pull enough line through there that you want to fish with. We're going to be fishing about 3 feet down. So I'm going to pull about 3 feet of line out. And well, that always includes the leader. I'm going to hook this thing to run to the left. And what we're going to do, get it unhooked from here. Got some big gizzard shad in the cast net here. Got one throw, caught all those with the cast net earlier. Get one of those out of there. Cut them. I like to use the head part most. Leave a little bit of meat and some gut. Generally what I do is I hook them right through the nose or the eyes, depending on the size of hook you're using. There like that. That one's ready to cast out there. These are the only castable planers that there are on the market that I know of. There's a couple of little ones out there, but they don't do near the stuff that the planer bobbers do. Cast this thing out there, and then we're going to start trolling very slowly with the trolling motor. Go ahead and set it in a rod holder. Click on the trolling motor on low. Off we go. This one here's all rigged up. All we need to do is cut us a nice piece of bait. We'll try the belly section of that same bait that we just cut here. Try a nice big piece. That's the nice thing about a planer bobber is it'll definitely hold up a big chunk of bait. These stomach pieces I generally hook through the, try to get a lot of the gizzard in there and the guts. Come out there with the circle hook. Always check that there's no scales on there. If you've got scales on there, you might miss a hook set. Now, same thing with this, we're going to cast it out there, and off we go. Put it into the rod holder. You'll be boosting the engine on and off, on and off. You can see this one out here working to the side. Just stays there to the side. What you do is you can loosen up the drag so that when a fish hits it, it takes drag and the circle hook's going to set it. Usually what I do is keep giving it a little bit of line out and get them farther and farther out away from the boat so the fish aren't afraid of the boat so much. They're usually not afraid of the trolling motor. It's pretty quiet. This is a pretty catfish looking area. There's a lot of stumps and trees laying in the water. We generally do pretty good here, so we'll probably tear them up. But you can see the spread in between these things. Looks to be about a 40-50 foot spread going already. And they'll just stay there on the far sides of your boat where you set them. You can let line out till they're 50-75 feet out.
Definitely stealthy little planers. Gotta pull them away from some of those trees out there because they'll snag on trees too. They're pretty snagless though with their circle hooks and the rigs the way they're set up. We're slowly going to weave through this area, keep feeding that line a little bit until we get it out 75 feet or so away from the boat. Makes it a lot more fun to reel them in from there too. Plus we seem to get bigger ones out there that are less afraid of all the noise going on in the boat. Super slow drift. That look catfishy out there, this cliff walls. He don't feel too big, but he's definitely probably a catfish. A good bend in the rod. It's the first fish of the year here for Elm Creek. We've been down in North Carolina fishing all winter for blue cat. Figured we'd come up here and get some of these channel cats out of Elm Creek. Oh, he's a nice one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Maybe we should net him. Yeah, well, see if we can't just pull him in, huh? Looks like he's hooked pretty good right in the eyeball. Wheat. 5-6 pounder. Let's get him in here and have a look at him. Oh yeah. What do you think, people? Super slow drift planer bobbers. That's it, America. That's the ticket to catching catfish, believe it or not. Let's see if we can't get him off. He's on. He's pulling pretty good. Maybe he's a big one, I don't know. Super slow drift planer bobber. Port side, oh yeah, that's a good cat. Coming in pretty easy, but I bet she's gonna put some splash up here at the boat. Oh yeah, there he goes. Hey, he's not that big. 4 or 5 pounder maybe. Typical cat, he's fat, boy he's fat. Let's bring him in here. There we go. Super slow drift planer bobber. Set to go to the port side. No, the starboard side. Yeah, this is the starboard side.